Need to check whether phone numbers are registered on X, formerly Twitter? X, Twitter. Registered helps detect X accounts from large phone number lists, allowing businesses to identify valid X users and improve audience targeting efficiency. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account checking products. Click Get Started to create an account or sign in to the platform. Before using the service, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the social category, locate X Twitter Registered and click Buy Now. Select the target country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing phone numbers. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking whether the uploaded phone numbers are registered on X. After processing is completed, review the checking results on the Results page. The results show phone numbers identified as registered X accounts when available. Click Download to save the complete results file. After downloading the report, you can open the file to review the detailed results in a table format. The report includes phone numbers, checking status, result fields, and other available X account information depending on the selected product. The exported file contains phone numbers identified as registered X accounts when available. The results can be used for audience targeting, customer acquisition, lead qualification, and X marketing preparation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account checking guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking X registered users today.